Hello, my name is Nguyễn Phạm Phương Vy. Welcome to my presentation about the topic of scientific research. Studying in the topic name, I will research on the current situation of learning English vocabulary in the field of culture and tourism. During my time at university, I observed many instances of a lack of vocabulary as well as a lack of communication capacity. When there is a lack of vocabulary, in terms of everyday life, many people still lack English cultural lexicon, making it difficult to convey information. This is many criticisms come from the fact that the tourism sector is a dominating and well-developed enterprise. In the current setting, inspired me to study terminology in the field culture and tourism. It's also important to supplement your English skill and vocabulary, particularly in this profession. It's easier to communication with customer if you have a good vocabulary. The purpose of this research is help me to better understand the state of vocabulary learning going on and also how this help in people's life. When put into real situation or problem, people experience of how to learn vocabulary belong to few. People often learn vocabulary in general matter. Only a few people really focus on a certain area unless they are learning by heart or working on it. So through this survey, I know if people are clear about their opportunity and capital. The research I have three questions. The first one is how do vocabulary in the field culture and tourism help students? For this question, I want to ask this question because I like to gain the real understanding of vocabulary associated with a field that work or benefits others. Furthermore, I hope that if acquiring and cultivating vocabulary is truly beneficial, I will allow everyone to speak more effectively and specialize in the field culture and tourism. The second one is should the teaching of vocabulary and train for students, especially people in the field culture and tourism. For this question, learning English is really important nowadays. Do tourism students, on the other hand, truly learn and compare the terminology associated with their field of study? I like to investigate whether it's really necessary to teach students more specific language. Beyond that, students can build on their existing knowledge and continue to expand their vocabulary after graduation. And the last question is, what plan do students have learning vocabulary? I will study how people learn vocabulary as well as the method they use learn new terms by asking this question. I like to understand more about the difficult student control when studying. About the literature review, studying with definition of vocabulary. The next part are effect of vocabulary to EFL learner and English vocabulary about culture and tourism. I use tools is language data such as video, text, article. When I first started researching on the topic, I went scientific research website to find reference article. I also use YouTube video to see how people use or think about the topic I have chosen. In context for this research is language students at Cần Thơ University and those who have been studying English in Vietnam and abroad. Thank you for your listening.